Transportation safety is a top priority in Erie. From school zones and neighborhoods to major corridors, the town continues working to improve how all users move safely through our community. I spoke with members of our public works and transportation teams about how safety decisions are made and what residents should know.
Safety is always the primary goal. We want to make sure that it's not only safe for vehicular traffic, but we also want to think about pedestrians, cyclists. We always want to make sure that we're thinking about all modes and making sure that they can safely interact with each other.
That safety-first approach shapes how intersections are designed, including Erie's roundabout first policy.
When you consider a traditional intersection, you've got 32 conflict points between these movements that are happening. When you consider a roundabout, that number is dialed back down to 8. 8 conflict points means basically reduced amounts of risk. Roundabouts also have the added benefit of slowing speeds, which helps with the severity of collisions.
Transportation safety was also discussed at the recent community gathering, where residents had the opportunity to connect directly with staff and share transportation ideas and questions. That feedback helps inform ongoing planning and safety initiatives.
If I hear about a safety question and issue, obviously our instinct is to provide customer service to our constituents, to hear them out, understand what the concerns are, because it is a valuable data point in the design process. I personally assess every safety-related inquiry that comes to the Transportation Division. And
once improvements are approved, implementation can happen quickly, depending on the scope.
Usually what it takes is, depending on the project size, some projects are implemented immediately, depending on what it is, like signs. If it's a little bit bigger project, we got to do a little bit more planning, but we usually could get it implemented anywhere from immediately to a few months.
Transportation safety is an ongoing effort grounded in planning, data, and community input. To learn more about ongoing transportation projects and safety initiatives, visit erieco.gov.